I don't know what the secret to my success is. If so, stay with me because I got something really, really special coming up for you in my review of Udemy PLR. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull most successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make me on my niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Or, I don't understand you. Why do you keep complaining about it? Go back to The Simpsons and stop bothering me. He's so annoying, that guy. Anyway, the way things work here is that if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. Hey, see, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. Absolutely wonderful person. Really, thank you, Liz. I know you say the same thing every day, but I love you for it. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean anything here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. We are on the sales page for Udemy PLR. Now, kind of a weird name for it, but basically what this is a course all about how to use ManyChat, which is a bot marketing system. It's basically an artificial intelligence kind of thing that you can actually install and use inside of Facebook, and then basically make sales to people. Now, you can. The course on its own is really, really worth buying because you'll learn a lot about how to do bot marketing on Facebook. You'll be able to make a lot of money just by generating leads that way. But what's really, really cool here, and this is the secret to my personal success.
Michael J. Fox is Brantley Foster. He came to New York to make it on his own.
You're fired, kid. Sorry.
Mom, I'm doing great. New York is just like Kansas, intensified.
No, it has nothing to do with being a hotel concierge or whatever the hell it is that you do with your secret thing going on with. I don't know who that is. I don't know. It's Michael J. Fox. Anyway. He's done two of these kind of movies, hasn't he? Anyway, so but seriously, what I love to do more than anything is to buy up PLR. What's PLR? PLR stands for private label rights. Basically, what that means is that you can legally say that this is your course. You own it. You have the right to sell it, to give it away, to do whatever you want with it. And I have a bit of a cold today, by the way. Now, what I love about PLR, the thing that really makes PLR pop for me, is that I can sell it and give it away. And I don't have to create the stuff myself. I have something now that I can simply take it and say, okay, fine, I'm going to give it away to people now. Now, here's the catch, though. There's a ton of PLR out there. Most of it is crap. Thank God. Bart didn't hear me this time. Quick, let's go on. Anyway, but seriously, most PLR is really, really junky quality. It's just really poorly made, and it's not something that you want to use. So how do you get good PLR? Well, you look for things like this. The beautiful thing about this is that it's what I call proven. It's a proven system. Basically, this course has already been sold on Udemy for $20, $30 a piece, something like that. And they've sold nearly 1,000 copies of this course and got 5-star reviews on Udemy. Okay, Udemy, by the way, if you're not familiar with it, is a website where you can get all kinds of courses, and you basically pay for it like anywhere from $20 to $100. I've bought several courses on Udemy. I really like the website a lot. And what you get basically is this entire course, including a sales page, including everything, for the price of the course on Udemy, and you have the right to sell it yourself. You buy it once, you sell it over and over and over again. You build yourself traffic, and you just keep selling it again and again and again and again and again and again and again. This is the best thing ever if you're trying to make money online, because it's so easy to do it. So really and truthfully, this is really, really cool. Let's go ahead and take a look now at the members area, and then we'll see if I'm going to give a tip my hat to the product creators or not. Okay, so we're in the members area over here, and there's not a whole lot to see here. Basically, you're going to download your course. There's also a docx that you can download, which you can go ahead and actually customize for yourself. There's the audio course, there's the sales pages, the whole 9 yards. Everything is included for you, so you can basically download the entire thing and start selling it. Okay, now there are a couple of bonuses here as well. There's not really a whole lot to see here, to be perfectly honest, inside the members area, but it's a pretty cool product overall. I really liked it a lot. I liked the course, and I really love the fact that you get PLR on this. Now, I am offering a couple of bonuses with this as well. Basically, what I've done is I've said, well, one good PLR deserves another, and so I've added in a few additional quality PLR products that you can go ahead and sell on your own. So you have even more to sell, basically, together with this thing that you can sell as PLR. So you're really getting a bargain rate that you're just not going to get elsewhere. So let's go ahead and see if I can tip my hat to the product creator. So am I going to give a tip my hat to the product creator? Yes, I am. This is a really, really, it's a no-brainer, basically. It's like if you get quality PLR, if you can purchase something that's really good quality, something that you can really sell and use, and it's this cheap, it's like, why wouldn't I buy it? This is perfect. This is great stuff. Go ahead and grab it. You are going to love it.